We're getting ready to sing Happy Birthday to Caleb. Come closer, Kyla. We're getting ready to sing Happy Birthday to Caleb. He hasn't made a cake?
Yes.
Okay, Caleb, turn on your lights.
Okay.
Turn on your lights for your cake. Right there, Boo-Boo.
Right there?
Hold on.
No, wait.
All right.
Yay, Mommy.
Okay. You did it? All right, you want to do it now?
Yeah.
All right. There. All right, you can turn them whatever color you want, okay?
Okay.
All right, so happy birthday to Caleb. Everybody sing.
Happy birthday to you.
Your cake is coming to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Caleb. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, I gotta go in backwards.
There it is.
I don't know how to. I don't want to.
Okay, Bobby.
I don't want to pull it off the table. I'm scared.
What's Kyla?
Yay! Happy birthday, Caleb! Who hasn't made a cake? How old are you now? 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 How old are you, Caleb? You're 3. Blow your candles out. Yay!
All right. Yay! Go, Caleb.
It's okay. Is that cake? Yay! I want to get somebody else's. Yay! Okay, everybody. So I said I will show. All right. Okay. Hold on. Let's back it up some. All right. I said I will. Okay. I don't want to send it flying. That's why I'm scared. All right, Caleb. So we're going to cut your cake?
Yeah.
What do you got? What kind?
I need a 3, 4.
You got chocolate cookie dough.
Okay.
Yeah, chocolate chip cookie dough. Who's going to get the first piece?
I need a
Get me a little small.
Wait.
All right, Caleb.
Yay!
I need the cheese. All right. So you might want to get from this angle. All right, you ready? You ready? We're going to cut Maida.
Yeah.
All right. Try and come in this way so they can see it's a cake. Who's getting the first piece? Is it Caleb?
Yes.
That's right. It's your cake, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Caleb. It is your cake.
Uh-oh. A phone. Huh, I hear your phone.
You hear my phone?
Yes.
Tasha, just hold the cake. All right, there we go.
You say?
Who got a chocolate chip cookie dough cake?
Whoa.
All right, show in there.
Whoa. Hello?
It's cake. Who gets the other piece?
A piece.
That must mean Kyla.
Hello?
I'm not cutting that good.
1 second, Mommy.
All right, there's Caleb's chocolate chip cookie dough made a cake. Yay! And there we go. There we go.
Okay, Mommy, I don't like.
All right.
Mommy, I don't like.
You want to turn on the lights? You can change them.
Okay.
You can change your cake.
Mommy, where I don't like?
Chris, okay, Chris, you ready to get out?
Good, Chris.
Okay, say bye-bye. You gonna change Maida's lights?